We are surrounded by spring this morning. Design and lifestyle stylist Sarah Gunn joins us with easy and fresh ways to welcome spring inside your home. And it's one you're going to try, actually.
I am going to try this. We really need to paint the stairs going down to our basement. They're in very rough shape. And so a lot of people, I'm sure, at home are thinking, okay, it's a great time of year for a DIY project. Maybe we don't have the budget to tear out our countertops or kitchen cabinets or flooring. So these Rust-Oleum home transformation kits are amazing because you can get the countertop version, the cabinet version, and a floor version, which is what we're going to use. And there's everything you need in there. So there's a cleaner to prep the surface. There's a tintable base coat. So there are dozens of colors, and they're on the top of all of the boxes.
Okay.
We're gonna go with like a sandy color for the stairs. And then you've got your top coat so that it makes it really durable and protected and functional for you. So for like $99 to $150 as opposed to thousands of dollars of replacing floors, replacing counters, such a great solution for your home.
Right, and it's really important now, right? Because people are kind of, okay, as we go into an economic downturn, what's, you want things to look nice.
Right.
But can you really afford to like replace the countertop or replace the stairs?
Right, so you're doing this instead for a fraction of the price. You can get these at all the Canadian hardware stores like Canadian Tire and Home Hardware and that sort of thing. And yeah, this is something you can do yourself. Anybody can do this.
Okay.
Right?
You've done this.
I have
I
done
thought
this.
for sure these were real because, you've got the tulips that are kind of like going over there as you think that they would.
Yeah, adding flowers to your home this time of year, they just bring you joy. They just bring you happiness. And I love faux, not just because I sell them in my online shop.
And these are from your line.
These are from Gunn & Co. Yes, all of these here are faux, and the vases as well are really beautiful. But there's such a small detail to add to a room that bring you joy. You said you have flowers on your desk. Like just having them on your desk, a bedside table, even a little bunch in a bathroom or something like that. And they bring you joy, right?
Scents bring you joy as well.
I think scent is a really great way to bring spring into your home. And that was a tongue twister. And this is a Canadian company as well. You know them also.
Oh, yes, it's a Hamilton company.
Yes, it is. Pure Home Couture. And they have the most gorgeous scented candles. And they've got scents for spring like peony and lilac. And this one on the top here is rainwater. And they just smell absolutely gorgeous. And although they are closing their location, they'll be there until the end of April. They have a really great sale online and in person right now, and they'll continue online, so we can keep supporting them that way.
Right, right. Yeah. And if you haven't been to their location on Lock Street, it is like, I love to just go up there. It's like being in an apartment in Paris.
It is. It's so gorgeous.
Yeah. I'm awfully disappointed that the site is closing, but it's great to know that their good products will continue.
Oh,
online.
absolutely agree.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah. And then just changing out, not buying new pillows, but changing out things.
Right. So if you want to update your sofa or your bed, I like changing textiles a couple times a year, like maybe in the spring, maybe in the fall. And use your really good quality inserts and just swap out the covers. These are from a Canadian company called Tonic Living. They're based in Toronto. And you can do, the trees are really gorgeous. That's a very on-trend pattern right now.
Yes.
Yeah, and then, or a simple botanical, or even just a lighter, graphic design, a plaid or something like that. And it's going to give that refreshed look to your sofa or your bed and not cost you a lot of money.
Right. And then you don't have the storage problems of where to put these extra pillows because it's just another, something to kind of tuck into the linen
because
closet.
if you saw our basement right now, I totally agree with you. I need to do what I'm telling other people to do.
And then I like the swap out that you've done for artwork.
Yes. So these are also from my online shop. So invest in frames that you love and then just order prints online. You can get them for like $20.
Okay.
And then switch them out again. I'd like to do that in the spring and in the fall. I keep the old or off-season prints in the frame just behind them so that you're not having to search for them, and then you just open up the back,
and they're not in your
out.
basement.
They're not in our basement. There's a lot of stuff there, but not our prints.
Well, we got about a minute left, but what's your favorite thing to do to kind of, bring in spring? Is it a big clean, or is it a... Yeah.
I do love doing a big clean, a declutter, opening the windows.
Yes.
We've already had the windows open in our house. We had them open yesterday.
And then you realize how dirty everything is.
That's the other thing.
Yes.
Cleaning your windows is a really, really great thing to do because, when you're opening and closing them for the spring, it's nice to do a refresh on your porch. I do love painting. Like, if you want to give your home a really nice new look, in an inexpensive but very impactful way. Painting, like paint your baseboards, paint a door inside. Like the interior of your front door doesn't need to be white or black. It could be a color.
Could be a fun color.
Yeah, and you can change it. You don't have to live with it forever. So have fun with it.
All right, Sarah Gunn, always fabulous ideas that you bring to us. We'll get your links up on our website at chch.com/morninglive.